What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna install this spoon exhaust on that car. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing. All right, so what's in the box, you guys? This beautiful N1 stainless steel dual tip exhaust system. It's rolled tips, looks absolutely amazing. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. I'm assuming it's not gonna sound very aggressive. It's gonna be very subtle. You're gonna tell it's a little more growl to what I've seen online so far. So we're gonna experience it firsthand for ourselves today after we get the install done. Let's get the car on the hoist and let's get right into it. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm assuming it's not gonna be very loud because dual resonator. The nice thing about it is you get this, the front pipe is actually included, so there's some money savings there, and it's all stainless steel, so it's not gonna, you know, rust on you. All right, so how much does it weigh? Let's find out right now. Mid pipe, 4.9 pounds. Front pipe, 5.5 pounds. Dual resonators, 14.8 pounds. And then the muffler itself, 24 pounds. So the grand total comes to 49.2 pounds. So she's beefy, you guys. Yeah, stainless steel, what do you expect? So before we get to the exhaust, we gotta take off the rear shroud here and the front heat shield here. All right, guys, so just took off the heat shield and you notice that there's some coolant. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's coolant all over the skid plate here, or the heat shield plate here. And I noticed that there's coolant here and all over. This car is like fairly brand new. It only has 1,800 kilometers on it. So it's like brand spanking new. So I'm wondering why there's all those coolant all over it. So I'll let Romain know that there's could potentially a coolant leak. Crazy, eh? Brand new. All we need is just access here. So now we can move to the back and then remove the rear valence. Let me show you guys. Goddamn, like the dealership, I don't understand why when they sprayed the undercoating, they sprayed all over the we need to get access to this. And we had a hard time getting to the 10 mil here. Look at this side. Did you get this one? Yeah, you got it off. I was able to get it off. But look at this, they sprayed all over. So that's why I don't like undercoating, you guys. And they do it in Canada all the time. I don't know if they do it in California or not, but it's so unnecessary. Or to do your job, you guys, do it right. So to remove the rear one, you gotta remove here, two 10 mils on both sides, plastic plug, a clip up here, and there's a whole bunch of clips here, all the way across. And then this should come off after that. Jay lost his condom. Look at that, it's so sticky that his glove stuck to it and broke off. That's why Jay has 3 kids. Okay, so you grab that, yeah, you grab that side, I'll grab this side. Anyway, we'll take it out your side first. There we go. Okay, so to remove the muffler assembly, we're gonna go ahead and remove the 3 14 mils here. And then after that, we'll tackle the 3 14 mils here to get the front pipe out. And don't forget to remove the 12 mils here for the hanger. All right, so to give us a little more play, remove the 2 10 mils here, and here, so 4 all together. And that should give you enough wiggle room here. Okay, so next we're gonna remove 1 hanger, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then she should come out. All right, so the hanger tool is like the best tool to remove hangers, but the only problem is the way this is situated, you can't get the hanger tool in there to remove it. So you're gonna have no choice, but you're gonna have to use a pry bar. But we taped it up so we don't damage anything. Most important part before we get ahead of ourselves, you guys, don't forget to unplug the exhaust valve, because Sugar just mentioned it, because I totally forgot about it too, you guys, because we did that the last time. We removed it and it got hanged up on it. So don't forget to unplug it. You go ahead and remove that. I'll hold this, Jay. Yeah, just let it drop on one side. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's go this way. So for the N1 exhaust, it doesn't have a valve, so go ahead and zip tie the factory valve harness to the wire loom here. So that's out of the way and it should be good to go. So the plan is take these 2 hangers off, put it on the exhaust system, because this way it'll push onto the factory hangers. This one, because of the way it's shaped, is facing this way, so we're gonna leave these ones on and push the hanger onto this one, right? Yeah. So take these ones off. Okay, ready? Oh my Lord.
That's just a hanger, don't worry.
Okay.
That's too far. There we go.
There we go. And this one. Oh, lube. Lube the best.
You gotta spit on that thing, that's why.
Okay. I'm in, you're in, Jay?
I think you just have to push that in all the way.
Oh, fuck. No leverage.
No leverage.
Fucking no leverage. Okay, I'm in.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Okay, so technically what we should do is, after everything is adjusted, we should take a look at the exhaust on the outside to make sure it's aligned. There you go, guys. So here, so we put these put this one on first, like these two, and then we rotate this one on. Now, like I was telling Jay, after we finish everything, you make sure you line up everything so that it's symmetrical on the outside when you look at the exhaust, so it's not all crooked. All right, so up next we're gonna remove the front pipe. And to be able to do that, you're gonna remove the 12 mil here to get rid of that hanger. Okay, that's it. And that gives us enough room to rotate this like that. There you go, so there's no worries. Okay, and then we get Jay to zap the 3 14 mils out of there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the front pipe. Don't forget the supply gasket right here. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the, they call this what, the rear pipe? Not a mid pipe. Go ahead. Yeah, this is the mid pipe, part of it. Okay, ready? So I'll hold it for you, Jay, while you install it.
All right, let's go.
You like that? I think I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong, bro.
Wrong, bro.
Wrong, bro. Yeah, there we go. Okay, guys. We kind of screwed up. So technically we should have put the actual resonators on first, because it's just nothing holding this up except the 2 screws in the back. So yeah, so next time we should do that first. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get Jay to start tightening everything down. Don't forget the 2 12s here. Jay already got it in for me. Don't forget that. So we're gonna start tightening everything. Maybe just start from the, probably from the middle outwards. I don't know. I'm just gonna do that anyways. All right, guys, so she's done. Oh, and it looks nice. It looks amazing. Hopefully it sounds just as good. I love how they put the stamp there, but it doesn't say spoon or anything, eh, Jay? It's right over there, Jay? Yep.
All the way on top of her.
Oh, right there. I did miss it, you guys. Right there. So it does say spoon on it, which is a great bonus, but very, very nice. Everything's all buttoned up, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this stuff here first, so it's nice and good looking for Romain when he picks up the car, but we'll go for a test drive. All right, cold start. Spoon N1 exhaust. No, it's not bad, not bad. It's pretty deep. Okay, well, let's go take it outside and then let's go for a rip. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get Jay to go and rev it up for us. We'll do like maybe a 4,000. Yeah, let's do 4,000, okay, Jay? Okay. Okay, one more. It's pretty deep, you guys. And this is not like, this is still factory downpipe. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds actually pretty good, you guys. I'm actually pretty impressed. Okay, all the smoke that you see coming out is because it's all new and everything right now. So, okay, next one we're gonna get Jay to drive. We'll do a cruise by. Okay.
We'll go 60, just 60.
Yeah, let's do 60. Just a nice cruise.
Sure.
Actually, it's actually pretty deep, you guys. And that dual exhaust, that dual tip, I'm digging it right now. We're actually really digging it. Even at wide open throttle, you can actually hear us, and there's really no drone or anything. I don't know if the sport or R mode is going to do anything. It all rev matches too, Jay. And we still didn't disable all the fake noise. We'll probably do that next. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking apart the module. One of the members on the forum shared that on the European models, you can actually see the module through this opening here where it latches onto where the glove box latches onto. There's an opening here that you can actually see the module. And he said he used like a flathead to reach in there and unclip it and push away. Unfortunately, the North American model, sorry, his was the European model. On the North American model, the clip is on the opposite side, so we can't really access it. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a hook to hook it in there, depress the tab, and push away. But let me just show you where that the module is. Right there. Right there. That gray one right here. And then you can actually see the clip, and it's on the opposite side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this hook, like I said, and see if I can get it. I'll be right back. If you look right there, and I think I got lucky, guys, because I saw it move. And there you go. It's out. Holy shit, I'm so lucky. There's that clip right there to depress. And I use the pick. So on the North American model, you can't cheat like this unless you use that pick. Wow, very lucky, guys. Okay, so we saved a lot of time, so we didn't have to take anything apart. So there you go, hook and flathead screwdriver that's long enough to reach it. And now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together. Well, not everything, but just the glove box. And let's go try out this the engine sound. Well, the interior sound without the engine noise or fake engine noise. We just literally drove it with the fake engine noise, right? And now we disabled it, and now we're gonna see the difference, back to back. Hey?
Sounds different.
You didn't have that, yeah, that weird kind of, cause it's right?
Yeah,
no more, right?
Different, a lot different.
It's actual real engine noises and real exhaust noises now. See? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Way better.
A lot better.
Way better. Because when we drove it back earlier, I was like, that engine noise is not good at all.
You hear that?
Yeah, so good. Okay, we'll do like a little mini pull here. Wheel spin. Wow. See? Sounds so much better.
A lot better.
Yeah. When you guys get a chance to go ahead and disable that fake noise, you guys. Sounds so much better. The exhaust just comes alive. Okay, let's go back to the shop. Air conditioning. It's getting hot, you guys. What noise were you talking about? I didn't hear it there.
You didn't hear anything?
No.
No, I heard something here like twice.
See that vibration, Jay? It's the exact same with my car too.
Honestly, cops?
Huh? I don't know where it's coming from. It's like typical type R noises.
Wonder if it's coming from the panel of the door. Sometimes it's like
I don't know. It's weird. It's like coming from there or here or here. Or...
It's everywhere.
Yeah, it's everywhere. Oh, so good. And there's no downpipe yet either.
Needs an intake.
Intake next.
Or maybe short shifter first. Cutie, maybe?
Yeah. Cutie coming.
To get out of bed, you put your heart